Hey guys, back with another video from my addictive blogging channel, and in this video I will be discussing about the secret tricks which you can do with the Nothing Phone 1, and few of them are there which are recently added after the update. So the Nothing Phone 1 is getting a lot of updates, and the new updates are making this phone better and better and adding few of the new features also in this phone which can be really useful. So we will see few of the features and the secret tips and tricks which we can perform with the Nothing Phone 1. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to say as, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So the Nothing Phone 1, as we all know, comes with a stock Android UI, and most of the things are really simple here. So they tried at the beginning to keep the camera app also simple, but they have added a new feature, that is the beauty feature in the portrait mode. So if I go to the portrait mode, as you can see, you will get this little icon in the bottom left corner. As we see with most of the phones nowadays, there is a beauty feature built in. The Nothing Phone 1 has also introduced this new feature which can really make you look good while clicking the pictures. At the same time, they have given this slider with which you can just increase and decrease the strength of beauty mode, which is really great. So this you will only get in the portrait mode. So this is a great little addition to the already stock camera app of the Nothing Phone 1. So we all know that the design of the Nothing Phone 1 resembles the iPhone, and although they have not said it openly, they have tried to copy a lot of things from the iPhone, and at some point they have copied some of the software aspects of Apple also. So if we go to the face unlock of this phone, in the security option you will see there will be an option of face unlock, and if we click on that, you will see that we will get the option to unlock with mask. So this is a feature which has been there with the Nothing Phone 1 and is not present in a lot of phones nowadays. As you all know that due to pandemic we are using mask for some places, they have added this option so that the phone gets unlocked even if you are wearing the mask, and this feature is available in the iPhones. So this is a really nice addition or hidden feature in the Nothing Phone 1 that can be really useful. So the next feature is a very important feature. So whenever we will be reading something on this phone or using the phone for some continuous activity, the screen will turn off after a definite time. So this can be a real hassle because you have to then again unlock the phone to read the content over there or do the activity of this phone. So to tackle that, they have added one hidden feature on the display. If we go to display, in the screen timeout, they have added this screen attention option. So what this will do is, until and unless you are not looking at the phone, the screen will not turn off by itself. So it will be really useful if you are reading any content or any article on the phone, and it will use its front camera to detect your eyes are looking on the phone, and it will not dim or switch off the display as long as you are looking on this phone. So this is also a really good feature they have added, and this can be a really useful feature at times when you will be reading or doing some continuous activity on this phone. Next is the feature for floating windows. So this phone supports floating windows by default, and it is really easy to activate the floating windows. So you just need to click on this recent apps button and you will get the apps which are open in the background. You have to click on this icon and you will get the option of pop-up view. So pop-up view and floating windows are the same, and you can see now it has transformed the Google Chrome into a floating window, and now you can just do whatever you want in the background of this phone, and you can also resize or just browse the internet as per your choice. This is a really good feature also if you want to multitask on this phone. Definitely this will be coming in handy, and it supports few of the apps right now. Even the YouTube app is supported. So really good feature they have added in the Nothing Phone 1, which is the pop-up view feature, and it will definitely help you with the multitasking in this phone. So we all know that privacy is a major issue with any of the phones out there, and in the Android phones we need to keep track which apps we are giving permissions for which of the features in this phone. So to see all the permissions which you have given to the apps in your phone, you just need to come to the privacy option, and they have added a privacy dashboard, which is a really nice feature, and this is a hidden feature in this phone. So you can check from here which app is taking which permission, and you can just revoke the apps which you don't want to give permission or which are unknown to you or are suspicious from here. So this is a really nice feature, and it will not only show you which permission it is taking, but it will also show you when and at what time they have accessed my location. So this is really nice, and they will also show you in this date and time format, and this will really make things easy to know which app is taking which permission, and you can have an idea of the permissions you have given to all the apps in your phone and just take action accordingly. Next hidden feature is regarding the gestures in the Nothing Phone 1. You can now quickly open the camera by just clicking the power button in this phone, and to do that you just need to click 2 times the power button and the camera will be opening by itself. So to activate this you need to just go to settings, and in settings you need to go to system, and in the system you will get the option of gestures, and in gestures you will get the option to quickly open the camera, which is a nice addition to the already added features in this phone. So anytime if you need to open the camera, you can just click 2 times the power button to launch the camera app to click pictures and videos in this phone. So last but not the least, although the Nothing Phone 1 comes with a stock UI, it has the inbuilt game mode in there. So to access the game mode you need to come to the settings, and under system you will see a game mode is available, and the game mode is there to do certain things, like it can definitely turn off the notifications, and also it can help you to prevent the mismatch while you will be gaming on this phone, and the apps which are required to be in the game mode or the games you can add it from here. So definitely I will recommend you to add the games so that there will be no distractions while gaming, and also it will prevent the mistouch prevention, which is a real concern while gaming in these touchscreen phones. So this is a really nice touch from the Nothing, as the game mode is inbuilt in this phone, and this is a hidden feature which you should explore in the Nothing Phone 1. So these are some of the hidden features and secret tricks you can get in this Nothing Phone 1, and a lot of features are also getting added with the updates in this phone. So definitely I will make video on these secret features which will be added, and definitely it will make your life a lot easier and better, as you will be knowing all the tips and tricks regarding this phone. So that's it guys, I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.